Hi, I'm Alicia Willoughby. I'm a physical therapist in Marin County, California. I specialize in working with women during pregnancy, postpartum, and throughout the rest of her life. I'm a whole body physical therapist, which means that I combine my background in orthopedics and my specialty in women's health to address and treat any condition that you're experiencing from head to toe. I want to tell you the story of how I got started in this specialty. When I was a new physical therapist working in San Francisco at an orthopedic outpatient clinic, I had a new patient referred to me for low back pain during pregnancy. Now in physical therapy school, we're not taught too much about pregnancy or postpartum, so I was a little apprehensive about treating her. But I decided to use the skills I had to treat her orthopedic injury, and I ended up making a significant difference in the comfort level during her pregnancy. It was in this experience working with her that I realized that pregnant women are a population of patients that were not getting the care that they needed to feel as good as they could, and that as a physical therapist, I had the training to treat them. I then did some extra training to get more tools in my tool belt and more comfort level of working with women during pregnancy and postpartum. I then became pregnant with my first baby, and I was really surprised how many people asked me, "Do you have low back pain yet?" As if having low back pain was a symptom of pregnancy, just like having to go to the bathroom every hour. I realized that a lot of the physical symptoms that women were experiencing in pregnancy had been normalized by the general public and even the medical community so that women weren't getting the care that they needed. I really became passionate working with women during their pregnancy so they could have a more comfortable experience. I then experienced the postpartum body for the first time, and that was really eye-opening for me. And I used my training and my experience to rehab my body and put myself back together after having a baby. I also started working at a different clinic in Marin County where a lot of the women that were coming to see me with general orthopedic injuries such as back pain, neck pain, knee pain with running, they also were mothers. And in my evaluation of them, a common thread was that they had unresolved issues dating back to when they were newly postpartum. They had unresolved posture issues, weakness issues, core deficiencies, and movement pattern problems. And I realized that if I could get to women sooner and treat them and teach them what to do during their pregnancy and newly postpartum, that they wouldn't end up with the injuries I was seeing these women for. I then developed the classes and the workshops that I now teach to educate women about how to take care of their bodies and how to fully rehab postpartum. I started my own practice in the summer of 2016 to fully follow my passion of working with women so they can stay connected to their strength during pregnancy, reclaim their bodies after giving birth, and have the strength needed to take on motherhood and have an active, pain-free life. When a mother is connected to her body, she can fully show up to her family, her friends, and her community, and her power is really limitless. I look forward to working with you and providing you the care that you deserve so that you can live your best life.